BDL Tool Die, a very large subcontracting business. Yeah. Can you tell our audience about what you do and what you make?
We have a few main sectors that we work for. We do a lot for Formula One and motorsports, aerospace, so like the bolts and fasteners for the wings, and hydraulics is a big player in our machine shop. We do a lot of work with the hydraulic industry as well.
How many machine tools do you have on site?
We have about 70 machines on site. We're based on 2 sites as well. So we've got a fabrication shop and we've got the main site as well.
Now we're going over to another site shortly to have a look at some other products that you make. Can you tell our audience about these products?
We've actually just designed, manufactured and built our very own portable rock and concrete crusher. All British made, everything that's in it is made, designed and manufactured by ourselves. So we're really proud of that, and it's just gone to market earlier this year.
Now we're here on behalf of Hoffmann Group UK today. Yeah. How have they supported you on this journey?
They've been fantastic to us. I mean, most of our tooling we get through them anyway. The service that we get from them, you place the order one day, it's here the next day. It's second to none, really.
And you've recently joined an industry first guaranteed savings plan with the Hoffmann Group. What does this mean?
I mean, I was approached, and when you get approached about a new plan and a new scheme, everybody's very dubious. But with this plan, it's a 10% saving on your purchases. So you'd be crazy not to take them up on the offer. It's amazing.
How is the minimum 10% savings achieved?
Well, it's based on your average tool spend, and you know what, if you don't achieve it, you'll get it anyway.
So they'll underwrite it?
It's underwritten, and you'd be crazy not to go for it.
So let's focus on the cutting tool range. You use the full array of cutting tool products from Hoffmann. How are these products, saving you money?
I mean, we do use the full range, and we've had meetings with their tooling reps as well who have come in, and they've given us advice on our feeds and speeds, and it's reduced the runtime. It's benefited us by having Hoffmann in our back pocket. So whereas I'm not experienced in what I'm buying, I can go and ask the questions to someone with the experience, and they will come back, or they will come out and visit, explain the best ways and what's the best things to do and what's the best tools to use, and then we go from there. And it saves us money because their expertise enables us to buy the right job first time.
And is it reducing cycle times, giving you better tool life longevity on previous cutting tools that you used?
100%, and that's from the knowledge of their tool people telling us the best ways to use them, the feeds, the speeds, which inevitably is going to give you a longer run time.
So it's a proper relationship based on trust?
Absolutely, yes. Yeah.